So in this video I'm going to look at how to create an AI that follows you using the Unity Nav Mesh agent components. So I have a read body FS controller from the asset store and standard assets, and also an AI which actually is a cylinder. Okay. So now I'm going to add component which is actually an Nav Mesh agent component. And now here a bunch of settings even here. You can select agent type or base, offset and speed. So I'm going to increase the speed by 10 to make it faster. Okay, and now I'm also going to increase the stopping distance by 10. So I'm going to stop. Okay. After reaching this destination, it's going to stop before the 10 units. Okay. And you also go high quality. It's a quality here. And now I'm going to the window and AI navigation. And now here's what we need to do here. I'm going to select the ground floor and make the name static too. And now going to bake, and it's going to bake the area. Okay, now it's going to the blue part. It's the walkable area. Okay. And now I'm going to select obstacles. Every obstacles on the now object, and go to static and not walkable. Okay, I'm going to bake it. Now you can see there is a tiny gap here. You can look up some white space. You can look to this white space where the player does not walk. Now go to AI and go to the add component and going to add the new script. I'm going to call it AI. I'm going to new script and create an ad. I'm going to open up in Visual Studio. So now when we're working with the AI or Nav Mesh component, we always add one more namespace, that is Unity engine.ai. So this allows us to access the Unity Nav Mesh components. Now I'm going to create a public Nav Mesh agent. Now I'm going to call it agent. And now I'm going to ask it one more by one, public or transform and target. This is a target, or you can call destination where the object our AI need to reach. In our case, its object is our body player. So we need to this AI need to follow our player. Okay. So I'm going to delete the y start function because we don't need it. In y update function, I'm going to write agent dot set destination, and here we need to input the vector 3 or target. So we create a new vector 3 and so we here type target dot position dot x for x axis, target dot position dot y for z axis, and y axis, and target dot position dot z for z axis. So everything set up here, and we need to write only 3 lines of code, and now our AI will definitely work. And now we play the game. Forward assign. Now we're going to assign the Nav Mesh agent and our rigid body control. And now if I'm going to scene view, is going to just extract the shortest path and go to the player. And now you're going to stop after some distance. If I'm going to make it 1, it's going to, and 5, I make all 8, because 10 is the best setting. Okay. Now to game view, if I go far from it, so it's going to start following us. You know, And okay, going to started following this. So now we can also add some range for it. So now we can also implement some range to the AI. So if we come in this range, so it's going to start following us. So to do this, we're going to create a variable called public float, and let's name as AI range. Okay. Now go to if statement. If and we type vector dot distance is less than or equal to of our AI range, and also we need to implement. So also we need to type here the current position of the our AI. Okay, so we're gonna type this dot transform dot position and the position of the our target. Okay, so we type target dot position, and we're going to copy the cut and paste the line here and save it. We'll go back. If we go back to Unity, you can look. I have some range here. I'm going to make it 50, and if I'm going to play this game and going to scene view, this look is not going to follow us. But if we're going to near us by some range, so it's going to started following us. Or I go